That's for the thumbnail. Okay, Wangaflange. It's over, I'm afraid. We did 5 years in the end. If you don't know, Wangaflange was a business I ran. I did a Kickstarter. It's basically a dome building or a space frame construction system. Bottom line is we're finishing it up with it. We did great. It's been a great business. I've enjoyed it immensely, but it's had its time in the sun. Let me tell you what's happened. It started, it's a couple of years ago now, to be honest, the downturn. UK went through Brexit, which upset a lot of our European neighbours. All Brexit went through, and then when the regulations came in, which took about another year, business dropped off in Europe by about 70%. But I was still selling to the US. Then postal services went really terrible, and tariffs came in. So that's killed the American market. So I'm selling an odd one now, but there comes a point when you just have to admit defeat, if you like. It's not really economically viable to continue making them. I have some in stock, which I will sell off, but I think I only have to sell them to UK customers. So I'll change up the shop. I've got about 2,500 left. I'll just sell them off at a discount, and we'll move on to something else. It's been a fun project. We raised 23,000 on Kickstarter. We got everybody's orders out. I had a little stint on Dragon's Den on the TV, which was fun. But ultimately, politics and economics has ruined it, really. Don't be sad. I'm going to just move on and do something else. So keep an eye out for my next project. There's lessons can be learned from this. I would say building that is made from solid stainless steel, and building a quality product is extremely difficult in this day and age. If you build some cheap shit and mark it up, it's a lot more profitable than building something quality wise and putting a low margin on it. Yeah, I had about a 20% margin, and we just started seeing 1 in 3 parcels either disappear or come back to us, and like this, just red stamps come back to you. There's about 6 of them. So when you're paying for postage to go out and it's just coming back for what would you call it, like customs reasons, it might not be forever. The website will stay running. I will sell the last of this batch off. I'm not ordering any more from the manufacturer because the costs have gone up so much. They're really expensive. The 3D files are still on the website, so if you want to have a play with them, you can 3D print your own. So that's open source. If you're still interested in testing things out, you can 3D print them yourself. Just go up to the Wangaflange website. I'll leave a link in the description. You can still download the project files. There's PDFs for how to make things, and you can still download the 3D print files. I might as well leave that up if anybody wants to make any use. Again, you can contact me through the website if you've got any brilliant ideas about how to revive it. But for now, really, we're going to just lay it to rest and switch out and do something else. I'd just like to thank everybody who has supported Wangaflange in the project, and I hope everybody's enjoyed working with them. The idea was to have a long-term business. You know, was it going to be the next Meccano or Lego or something like that? But, you know, shit happens there. Okay, that's it for this one. But keep an eye out for the next project, which is completely different. Nothing to do with, nothing like this. But I've learned the lessons from this, and hopefully I can move forward with a business that isn't as vulnerable to political bullshit. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.